Good morning, and just like that, it's already Thursday. It is January 14th, 2021. Let's continue working with our k and qu sounds. So remember, k can go at the beginning, the initial sound like in ketchup. It can be the medial sound in the middle like vacuum, and at the end like cook. Again, this is technically at the beginning and in cook. We also have our qu sound like quick and squid. QU. Let's tap out some words. Okay, there we go. Our first sound card, I say, then you say. Z. J. G. J. 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 Ah. Ah. Oi. Oi. R. Okay. You guys, did anybody notice that Miss Video is going crazy? I said let's tap it out, and then we did sound cards. That's okay, let's tap it out now. That's okay. The first word, ready? We're going to tap out some words, okay? The first word is circus. What's the word? Circus. 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 Where did you hear the k? Circus. In the middle, so it's in the middle of the word, but at the beginning of the second syllable. Circus. Next word, quart. What's the word? Quart. 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 Goes at the beginning, the initial sound. Mexico, what's the word? Mexico. 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 Was the k at the beginning, middle, or end? Mexico. In the middle, towards the end, but not the final sound. Camp. What's the word? Camp. Camp. Right, it's at the beginning, the initial, and the last word, square. What's the word? Square. 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 In the middle, medial sound. Okay, we already did sound cards, so let's move along. Okay, here's our words. Here we go. Let's scoop. Let's get a different color today, orange. Okay, so here's a blend with two consonants, so let's blend those together. Foo, and then I know that E makes the A say A, so we'll say A, and then K. Foo, ache, flake. Squeak, squeak. Quit, quit. Quack, quack. Again, the E makes the A say A here, so we have a, make. And then remember A-R-E. On its own, it's the word R, but in a word, it says air. Air, square. Your turn. Think. Oh, there it is. Think, read. Flake. Squeak. Quit. Quack. Make. Square. Okay. One more slide of words. Okay, so we have qu, s. All right, and then if you remember, ti says sh, and tion says shun. Okay, so we're going to bring that together. Question, question. Okay, here's this measurement tool again. Quart, quart. Whenever you say it quickly, we say quart. Mexico, the word is Mexico. Camp, camp. And we have a repeat, so court. Think and then read. Ready? Question, court, Mexico, camp, court. Sentence, word by word, then scoops, and then fluently. The king and queen sat on the quilt at the picnic. Picnic. Scoops. The king and queen sat on the quilt at the picnic. Fluently. Ready, ready, read. The king and queen sat on the quilt at the picnic. Your turn. Ready, ready, read. Great job. Get your papers ready, 1 through 6. Pause if you need more time. Let's begin. Number 1, ku. What letters say ku? Ku. 2, ah. This cannot go at the end of a word. Ah. 1, ku, 2, ah. 3, shark. 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 4, crack. 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 5, quick. 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 I'll repeat. 1, qu. 2, ah. This ah cannot go at the end of a word. 3, shark. 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 4, crack. 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 5, quick. 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 6, the king and queen live in a castle. The king and queen live in a castle. The king and queen live in a castle. 8 words. Remember, we're looking for correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. The king and queen live in a castle. Last time. The king and queen live in a castle. All right, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, get out your colored pen or pencil so we can review our answers. Number 1, qu, Q-U. Number 2, ah. That cannot go at the end of a word, so it's A-U. Number 3, shark, 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 S-H-A-R-K. Number 4, crack, C-R-A-C-K. Number 5, quick. So this is that word where we have the qu and the k sound. So we have qu, quick. It's CK at the end. The king and queen live in a castle. So capitalize the king and queen live in a, okay, so castle has a silent letter. Can anybody guess what that silent letter is? It's a T. So castle is C-A-S-T-L-E, castle, castle. The king and queen live in a castle. All right, everybody, just a reminder, make sure you continue practicing these spelling words. You should find them on your Canvas page. You should also find them in your reader's notebook as well as spellingcity.com. So practice those spelling words because you test tomorrow, okay? We'll see you then. Bye-bye.